got this one wrong.
Also, the last one.
And the one before that.
Oh, guys, what I put you through today, I'm so sorry. I was being selfish and...
Hey, Umba, I was only ribbing you.
Everyone has an off day sometimes.
Yeah? Well, at least... I guess the suns are about to come out. Oh, but wait! It'll clear up. Any minute now? Over there, I sense a nice dry spot for us. Oh, what's wrong with me?
Maybe you just need a little rest.
We've been through a lot lately.
You really think that's it?
For sure.
Totally.
I guess I'm starting to doubt myself now. And not just because of today's stuff, but...
The positive presence too, huh?
How about we cheer you up?
Oh, yeah. Let's have a song. When all is dark and full of gloom, know that hope is sure to bloom.
Yeah, I think I prefer to rest.
Ooh, tough crowd.
And here's my perfect spot. So what are you still doing here?
Sorry?
What?
I need a little me time to reconnect with my senses. That means chew.
He is a tough crowd.
But shouldn't we stick together?
What if we need to form Holt?
So stay out of trouble.
Back from the core. Restored.
Will you at least let Jeannie stay?
What's happening?
I'll tell you after they've left.